take a look at what we got today.
We hit mostly my upside targets yesterday with that all-time high
Yeah,
tap on.
my targets as
Yeah,
well.
because we hit 7K on ES. There.
Oh, we actually sold. Oh wow, look at that head and shoulders. Look at that. That's
Yeah,
really
yeah,
nice.
yeah. You're not streaming, Alex.
Oh
You're
yeah.
saying.
Oops.
Morning, morning.
Good morning, Samir. Alex and me talked about that you need to help him this Sunday because you live close. So you need to drive his friends to New York airport.
Wait,
And
what?
and and then I will be in Spain and drive them to the hotel. So we're gonna be Alex's personal butlers. No, his
Oh,
friends' butlers for the weekend.
of course, of
Uh,
course. Why not, right?
uh,
If he needs help, we'll be there.
But yeah, we sold a decent amount. Yeah, after putting in
yeah,
an
on that
all-time high,
7K. Yeah,
193. Huh.
yeah, that 7K was really nice. With like 703 and dumped. Just week above 7K on ES.
Yeah, just to pull above all-time high and then sold a bit, but
Uh,
what if we could still see more upside? I
Yeah,
really
it's
want us
possible.
to go to 700. I think I said that
Yeah,
on SPY. I don't know how soon that'll happen or if that'll
yeah.
happen. It's a nice
I don't
sample.
think. Yeah, I don't think it's impossible either. I just want us to short because of that message, that email I got.
Yeah.
But I don't want to short if we
So
take
you got
losses.
the email because you were longing a lot?
No, the problem is I've been trading eval. They have two phase. I've been trading first phase. You
Uh huh.
need 100% gain, so 10K, and I traded quite low size, so that took like 2.5 months, 3 months for me. And then I needed to gain 8K gain uh, for second phase, and that was like maybe not even a month for me. I traded really good there, but then we had that Friday before we left. It was my start of that account on that funded version, and we had double losses on longs, and then we were away for 2 weeks, and then we only did long this week, and then I requested payout this yesterday because they refound the buy amount of the account with the first payout, like $500. So I had like 1.1, 1.2 gain plus 500, so 1.7. So I thought like when you take payout with them, they don't increase the drawdown. It's 90K static or 10K static from 100K to 90K, and I'm fine with that. So I took the payout and they deducted the payout, and then I got that email on the night. Um, uh, the problem is I only did longs on the fund account, and I don't think they have looked at my evals, so they are thinking like I'm doing one side betting, like I'm only doing
Oh,
longs, right?
oh, okay, okay, okay.
I didn't even know that
Yeah.
was actual considered a bad thing.
No, you see, they don't say like, "Oh, we banned you," right? They say like,
Yeah.
"I want to reassure you that we will approve your withdrawal unfunded once you confirm this email and over of the guidelines." It's more like a warning, right?
Mm.
But they could actually, if you only do that, like if you only go long silver and they're like a way to protect the firm, right? If you go high size and long silver and you get like 700K profits, because it's insane. They had that rule to just deny that, I guess. Fuckery. But the rule states that one side betting is without any like risk management rules or any. I'm gonna send uh, uh, send what they say. Never mind. Yeah, it says if you're doing one-side betting, it's like you trade only long. You don't really have a stop loss. You don't have any like strategy at all. So that's considered one-side betting. You're just going long, 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 or short, 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 short. Uh, uh, but I talked with support. He looked into it. Uh, he sent it like that. They are really good, so I don't know why they do that overall. They have 4.9 trust pilots, 10 years of trading, big payouts, $1 million payout to people. But I guess I got stuck in the system because I only traded one side. But I think I will be fine, but I don't like that warning because if I do slight mistake in the future, they could have that first warning as a, oh, we already warned you, so now we can terminate your account. It's a way to deny payout in the future, I guess, if I'm really profitable, which is irritating. They have the best track records of all the 5 CFD firms, though. They've been so it's kind of annoying that they're doing that shit also. Like, if they just looked at my evals, they would see that I'm clearly not one-side betting, right? It would be super easy for them to, and it's way too little, little trades to even say that it could consider one-side betting. I send them. I send them this. Oh, I cannot. It was too long. Never mind.
Tickers are
So in the
still in range here. Interesting. And actually, Apple did make a gap down from that head and shoulders that broke structure. It's actually at support now.
It's quite interesting. Wicks are going up, but prices are going up also.
Yeah. Yeah, I think Google could put in a new all-time high. Oh wait. Oh, it's
No, it already did.
literally already did.
Yeah.
Never mind. Or well, really close anyways. Is it? 328.80 is all-time high. Okay. It's literally right here. It's right at all-time high right now. Okay, so that should put in new all-time high today, probably, I don't know, 3:30 or so. Looks good. Nvidia's still in range. Still is not yet broken. Yeah, the daily's quite nice. Nice consolidation.
I think I'm actually favored downside bet on ES here on the 4-hour overall, though. But I'm not. Could still range, right?
Yeah,
Slowly
it's
grind.
stuck in range right now. Apple for me is at support from from that breakdown on the 4-hour. So yeah, we
I'm
filled
just
that imbalance or gap.
yeah. I'm just looking. We have a 4-hour sell diverge on ES here on that 7K all-time high with, and CFD is going down here. Pre-market minus 2.4. But yeah, they could still hold it, and that was all the sell divergence wrote from that high yesterday, from the 7K down to around here, right? And we still see upside, but
Yeah, I like actually maybe Qs for downside. A little bit of downside anyways to continue this higher low. We came back into that gap, rejected it again, inverted hammer close. So we can maybe see a little bit of a retest again and then maybe continue to pull higher. But yeah, structure is overall the same. So I think NFP tomorrow might be the catalyst to actually break us out of this structure here. So yeah, we might be able to see an inside day today, or at least retest the lows a little bit. But I guess we'll see.
Yeah, I need to see more what they say on the open and so on here. It's just that we, all this week we have seen kind of strong buying, and that's not here on the COD right now, on the pre-market.
Yeah, we don't
But
have
it
any
doesn't
data
mean we're
today.
gonna drop.
Yeah,
Uh,
no data today as well, so may or may not be a bit slower. NFP tomorrow. Is it 3 minutes till the open? The hourly looks like it's kind of setting up in a head and shoulders as well.
Yep, we feel that hourly imbalance there, the right shoulder. It could go a bit higher though.
Yeah, I
Oh.
kind of want it to like 850 again. That's technically where the top of the right shoulder would be. Take a look at UPS. It's still around the same. 104, 105. Still like that to 108, so I'll continue to hold those shares for right now. Alrighty. Here's the open. We are in like a 5-minute flag right now actually on Qs. So let's see if we actually break this. Might give us some time here as well. And remember, we are at a gap down from yesterday's close, so we do technically have a gap to fill for upside, but so right now it looks kind of weak.
MNQ sitting at minus 8k in CFD, while Nasdaq is actually plus, but it's going down. It's weird. MQ should lead this though to see the downside here, which we are.
Yeah, everything's kind of selling here. Only one that's holding up is Apple here, actually.
Yeah. ES is looking slightly stronger than Nasdaq.
Yeah, I have a 5-minute higher low that we kind of back tested into. We could maybe go a little bit lower. We have inbounds, yeah, we have that inbound sitting below us. Down to like 720.
20. Yeah, 721. ES still holding up very well here.
Yeah, it looks pretty weak for right now.
Yeah. CFD is selling on Nasdaq here. Small divergence between ES and Nasdaq here. Nasdaq looks a lot weaker than ES. Is holding weave up. Google selling P HOD. Meta is the clearly weakest here.
Yeah. Everything else
Viego is
everything
quite
else is
weak.
selling though.
Yeah.
Oh, nice hits. Very nice short.
Yeah, well done.
Yeah, I was thinking about possibly shorting the retest there as well, near that 750, but
Yeah. I liked it in the video, was weak there. Dun, dun. Saw a lot of aggressive selling here overall in the CVD. And I like the slower, which we had after Nasdaq there. Wicks break the upside here on that flag also. Yeah, solid. Wing drive short. Went into 700.
So I want to pay attention to the bigger time frame, like the daily or 4 hour, for that retest of that trend line. So we actually still have a little bit room lower still. Kind of like 620, I guess.
Mm.
If we want to retest that today, anyways. But
Mm.
yeah, that should take us down to overnight low, roughly.
On Qs, because Nasdaq I had lower on the trend line than the overnight
Yeah,
low.
yeah, 620. It's below overnight low, that trend line.
Yeah, yeah. There's some slight buying here. Back to sweep up on ES here.
I feel like we could short this here down to overnight low still.
Some buying there on CVD.
I look at SPY right now. SPY is a lot stronger.
Yeah, yeah. That ES is a lot stronger. Yeah, I'm not seeing that weakness on ES that I'm seeing on Nasdaq.
Yeah. Oh, that was a retest there.
Yeah. CVD sold there on the high again.
Here she goes.
CVD went lower than the end lot also. We're seeing sellers stepping in there. ES reacted that. Push high again. Above VWAP. Should close that candle underneath VWAP. With this push to overnight low. I wanted at least 740 top there, but it sold quite a lot.
I didn't mind 730 there. I was just a little
Uh,
slow.
yeah.
A bit too slow there.
I'm not liking the divergence here between PS and Nasdaq. But PS closed this lower again. Should see the push to overnight low. Right.
Yeah, I should be able to pull down to that overnight low here. Almost there. Oh no, we're here. Basically, yeah,
Yeah.
there we go.
Yeah, that was solid from 730. Well
Yep.
spotted, Alex. Well spotted. Nice trade.
We're kind of at support now on both SPY and Qs here.
Mm.
SPY's at overnight, or Q's at overnight low, and then SPY holding that 5-minute higher low for right now. So if we actually get below the structure here, we might see quite a deep breakdown.
Yeah. Seem very slightly buyer stepping in here. Not a lot, but slight on that overnight low.
Yeah, it's expected.
Yeah. Trying to sell it again. I'm not a fan of short right here with how little we bounce though. I say. As this is supply on the higher time frame.
Mm.
But awesome hitch. Awesome. Well done, bro. So they keeps going lower here.
Yeah, we should be able to pull it a little bit lower, I think. At least down to that trend line on the daily. Right? Yeah. So just slightly
Yeah,
below 720, or maybe even actually no,
yeah,
might
yeah,
have
yeah,
might
yeah.
have
Here.
one. There we go.
Oh, look at ES here. It broke. Yeah, wow. The big break on ES. Yeah. Based on the 4 hour, for me, this could still have a lot of room. If this wanna break down for real on that trend line. It's kind of lost that, right? Ah,
No, not yet. I'm
really?
looking at the daily on Qs. Daily on
Yeah,
Qs is right at support here.
yeah.
So I want to see how this reacts. And this is the first flag retest on the hourly from the left.
Yeah,
So we should see some buying here come in, at least a little bit.
yeah, because ES or SPY broke there, right? But Nasdaq didn't really, right?
Yep. I have a level at 618.44. So that might possibly be a long area for me.
It's possible we sell before data. Huh? I've seen that before also, right? See one directional move. 4 hour imbalance 920 on ES, quite a bit of weight. 26 points actually.
Yeah, Google did put in that all-time high up to 330 sold.
Yeah.
So makes sense there. Microsoft was at overhead resistance from that range on the daily, or even a 4 hour. We were at the top upper end of the range, right around 490 sold.
I'll take your soul actually. Yeah.
Yeah, a lot of them were at resistance, so
Yeah.
Nvidia's now also at the lower end of the trend line after that rejection of the upper trend line. Just backtesting the lower end of the range there. Alright, almost at my
This is
level here.
this is quite aggressive. Minus 240 points.
Yeah,
So it is going down hard here. Minus 17k and minus 2.4 on MQ and Nasdaq.
spy filled imbalance as well. 5 minute imbalance. should be at support now.
Probably should see at least 665 overnight low here, right?
Yeah, that's what I think.
Retest at least.
Wow, that level is perfect.
Yeah. That was a nice long spot. Google hit previous week high there. Had supply on Apple and Tesla. Yeah, both failed breakdowns on the very low time frame. Oh, right to fill. Wow. Yeah, right to the target there. Overnight low. 70 point. Shoop.
Yeah, that didn't even give me a chance to enter, really.
Yeah. There's some slight buying there on a bit more than slight on the CVD.
Yeah, wow. That's
Let's see if this is just the rubber band or if you're gonna see slightly higher here. 700. It's throwing me off because EOS looks quite decent now.
yeah, looks good, right?
It recovered that. Yeah.
Yeah.
I wouldn't say that Nasdaq looks good though. Could technically be in a right shoulder here on ES if you're calculating that to set up as a head and you have left shoulder, right shoulder. And ES broke down from that head and shoulders on the 4 hour. Technically this is the retest for lower overnight low. But divergence with ES here. CVD sold again there. Oh, sorry.
Hmm. EPS is moving again, back up to 106.
Tesla saw some buying there. Nvidia selling to PR here.
Yeah, I should have a little bit more room lower.
Yeah.
I want to wait till everything's fully at support until I gonna look to long, I think.
So we're not gonna short?
Nah, maybe not. I don't know. I'm not sure.
Right.
We're kind of at support here. Don't really want to
Yeah,
short. I'd rather short a lot higher, at least at
yeah,
700 or like 750 if I were to look short, but
yeah.
I don't think we're gonna get a breakdown before data. Or maybe we could, but I think we'll see possibly a little bit more of an inside day.
Mm. We have our H set up here. I think this looks still quite weak.
Yeah, I think we'll pull still a little bit lower here. But we're a little too low for me to take shorts here.
Mm. Damn. I really wanted short because of that. The text thing. Do not let that preside my trading though.
You could always short. You could short.
Yeah, I don't like the short right here. For me, if ES actually, if this is a right shoulder, ES has a lot more room. That's the problem for me here. If you would. But Nasdaq has sold quite a lot already.
Yeah, I got some buying there a little bit.
Yeah, so some buying on CUD here
Yeah,
also.
nice.
Yeah,
Nice
fill
retest.
in balance. 620. While ES went above view up there. Nvidia at support, previous week low. Yeah, I kinda like this, actually. Think we're gonna push above overnight high here. Go for 700
Yeah.
ish.
See if we can maybe get an entry.
I want Nvidia to see a pop there though.
Yeah, I'm long.
It's not.
55.
So 25 stop.
Should we do 30 points? It's a little tight, not gonna lie. It's kind of volatile. Oh wow, we might literally get tagged right now.
Where's your stop, Alex?
Yeah, we'll do 25, I guess. We'll just run 30 points for now. Yeah, do 30 points. 55, we'll look for a break above overnight high, targeting VWAP up on QQQ. 700 psych roughly as well. Yeah, this is volatile. We need a clear above overnight low for this setup to be valid here.
Sold there. ES didn't pop. Wanted Nvidia to pop there, but that CVD is sold quite aggressively there on that 5-minute candle.
Yeah, a little bit. It's not too bad still.
Yeah.
I am worried about our stop placement though. This is quite volatile. Like we're moving
Yeah.
very aggressively. Maybe I should have waited for a better entry there instead of taking that at the high.
I see some selling on the CVD here. Actually, I don't want to see here on this structure. On that overnight low, tap and sold again. Want to see ES break, weave up its strength there and go for P-Lod.
Nah, one little back test might be able to take us out here.
CVD is still selling here.
Yeah, I'm tagged.
Oh.
Okay.
I got tagged there.
Yep. Yeah, this is quite volatile.
Oh.
Alright, so we're setting up in a range now, looks like. Yeah, I might wait a little bit then.
Nvidia didn't pop at all on previous week low there.
No, did not.
Oh.
Yeah, I think we're gonna put in a new low here.
Yeah.
Based on the way some tickers are setting up.
Mm. Yeah, so this sold that quite early. It had a nice buying there, but just exploded down. Yeah. Yeah, sold that. I thought Nvidia would see a pop there with Google, both at previous week low, but both just said nope. Apple sold. And that Viva pre-touch also. Same with Meta. Yeah. No strength. Hmm. Decent pop there from 600.
No. Spy still looks good though. That's the funny part.
Yeah.
Still
It
looks
does.
good.
Oh, Nvidia's selling pretty big low here.
Yeah. 185. Next we'll have is 183.
No.
Yeah, this might be able to continue lower here.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe we'll get a breakdown on a bigger structure. Maybe we will.
Looks like it. Yeah, ES is selling here. Looks good now also. For me. Just 0.2. Nasdaq's 0.9. Big difference.
Still a lot of support here, but it doesn't really look good. Yeah, Spy kind of gave up its momentum there as well.
Yeah. Yeah, the 4-hour sell version was perfect. Damn, I think I should have shorted it. Oh well. Played out super nice.
Yeah, only short spot for me was at 7:30.
Yeah.
The only one real retest. Missed
Yeah.
it. You could have maybe shorted overnight high, overnight low.
Yeah.
But we were so
Our
close to
entry.
VWAP. I
Yeah.
probably would have preferred to short at VWAP.
He just played me there. Looked really good actually. With that. With the end. The tickers at supply there, both. Yeah, almost every ticker were at supply. Didn't hell though. Sold it.
Yeah, still has support here. We could wick down a little bit more maybe, but
I still think it's possible to trend today. I'm gonna say, Alex. But yeah, this is not a place where I want to short 580. Some structure. So. Some buying coming in there.
yeah, tickers still don't look terrible for me just yet. Even SPY actually kind of got bought back up there again. Above VWAP, but nice hammer close there.
That's a lot of buying coming there. Wow. After that 600 recover. Nvidia back to this previous week low there.
Yeah, I really would like a reversal entry if I was to go
Mm.
long. Don't really want to take a high entry again like last time, especially with this high volatility.
Mm. Volatility is kind of nice. It's around 50ish.
Yeah.
This is good, not too high either. Nice fail breakdown on the 5 here. I mean,
Yep.
this. But I think Nvidia need to overcome previous week low here too. But Google had nice. They're same with Microsoft. Those use supply. Don't think we will get an entry though. This looks already good for a squeeze up to VWAP for me. How it
Yeah.
looks, if this fails here, it will not be actionable on the long side instead for me. Yes, looks good here. Went above PLOD. That's the thing I wanted to see on that last long.
Yeah. Yeah,
See
we're gonna
buying
go
us
up here
here.
on Qs. No, slightly early. That's unfortunate.
Yeah.
5 minutes early. 5 minutes
Yeah.
too early. I really like that setup though. It was actually quite nice to retest on the 1 minute there and then
Yeah.
yeah, I guess we wanted to pull one more leg lower. Take out that liquidity on the one.
Yeah, we had SMT with ES there. We did make a higher high instead.
Yeah, it
I
looks like
think
we're
this
gonna
just
go.
gonna go here to 700, 760 the late end here for me.
Yeah, I'd agree. Could we just still take this long though? It looks like we can, probably. If it is gonna go up to 700 at least. It's only 30
I
points,
liked
but
it. I liked it at 640,
yeah.
not here.
It's kind of where I'm looking here as well, actually. Or maybe, yeah, and here's not bad.
Mm.
I don't think here is terrible.
It's fail breakdown entry right here. We're above the 660. Oh. Mm. Not CD buying I want on Nasdaq. CD here.
Alright, I'm in long.
Where's your stop loss? 610.
Sorry.
Where's your stop?
I should do 20. Oh no. Should do not 30 points again?
Is it 630 then?
28. It's at 28 right now. I have a 58 entry. Yeah, we'll do 30 points again. I guess.
20. Did you say 29?
28.
Oh.
gonna look for view up 700 psych here on NQ. This looks good. If this could actually recover on a 5-minute close above overnight low, target upper imbalances, 700 psych view up, and then yeah, I think that's a good target. So 707 roughly, 720.
I'm not seeing the aggressive buy.
Yeah,
I don't see the aggressive buyness here. I mean, right now. Nvidia looks good though. But, Apple has resistance here. Same with Microsoft.
yeah, a lot of tickers kind of are here, but I kind of like the way this structure is setting up here on Qs and SPY. It's the main thing for me here that I'm looking at.
This is a retest on the 30-minute on the upside though, right? If you would, on the left, overnight low.
Oh yeah, yeah. Breaking first breaking. I
Mm.
think it would retest a little bit deeper though. Like I said, I think 700 is a
Mm.
better area for me. Candle did recapture and hold above overnight low. View up 9 EMA on QQQ, which is good. But yeah, 20 points right now still. It's okay. Doesn't look like a lot, but it's kind of decent for the way the candles look. 20 points.
Mm.
But it is because volatility is a bit high here. So
Mm.
here we go. Should be our trim opportunity here, guys. Maybe even full exit. Should be looking to take this here, though. Come on. Super close.
I missed it.
Yeah. Too quick. Go back. Go back up. Go back up.
Mm. That was EB mid 686. So you sell us defend that if it's not gonna pop above. Nvidia still looks kind of good, but Apple sold there instead. But Nvidia is going up. Mm.
Yeah, I still think we're okay. Should be
Yeah,
okay here.
I agree. I don't like that. Candle. And there's aggressiveness here on that break, on that one. It's straight pull up to 700. Hmm.
It's alright, Philip. Don't worry. Just take some time. Just take some time to
Yeah.
develop.
But we're at the highs on ES here. We took the local high there. I don't like how ticker's setting up here. Yeah. CVD selling here. Be a backtest though. 1 minute. That was the target for me, the AB mid. Then you would see VWAP after that, but could be hard to overcome that for me. But if it push up above that again, 685, be a clean signal for VWAP. 704. I'm not particularly liking tickers here.
Yeah, I really
How they
want to
behave
execute
here.
there. We should still be okay as long as we're above this overnight low. If we actually get below that, then I would actually probably consider manually stopping out.
Yeah. That's just a nice push
Okay.
though.
This is our trim here, guys. One view up. Okay.
I'm gonna put B
Alright.
stops here now.
Close. Yeah.
Oh.
Took my trim directly at 700.
Yeah, same as me, nice.
799. Close enough.
Yeah. Should have B stops here, right? On the last,
Yeah.
I have one left. Yeah, I'm not gonna let this. That is a very nice target for final TP though, I'm gonna say.
Yeah.
You could look for Peace Week overnight high on ES here, which would be slightly above VWAP, 715 here. But
Yeah, we'll look for view up here on the last 5. Super close there. Come on. Should give it to us.
do you know what I did on my CFD?
What did you do?
I shorted before instead of because they have the buttons on the wrong. So I shorted that first trade.
Right.
Yeah, instead of long. But I stopped out at BE. Then I went long. Such sadness. When I take that real long there, it wicked and just flat went down. I'm not seeing the aggressive binance here. I think this still just at EB mid, even if we wicked above right at here. Possibly Nvidia could actually lose previous week low here and we drive lower if ES doesn't wanna put in overnight here, overnight high here. Google looks good though. I would say Tesla looks good also. Meta looks good, but I'm not particularly fan of Microsoft, Apple, and Nvidia here.
Yeah.
It's so for me overall.
Should be okay though. This looks good here.
Mm.
Come on.
I have quite a lot worse entry than you this day. Oh yeah,
Really?
I even waited. Yeah.
I was down a little bit when I took my entry. It pulled down to like
60.
40, I
Oh
think.
no, I don't have any 40 for me.
Oh wait, no, it didn't. Never mind.
53 was
So it pulled
53
down.
was the
Yeah.
low.
No, yeah, not 40. Sorry.
Yeah, it went down and I tried to enter and I got 61.
What? You got 61 off the?
Yeah,
Well,
did my best though. I didn't push it directly. Yeah, Asamir's entry was also bad. It's gonna be if this gets stopped, I'm gonna be slight red actually. Even 1 micro left. They had a slight worse entry on your first also. Yeah. Nvidia actually selling here. Not what I wanted to see here.
Might tag me out here. Let's see.
Yeah.
I have the
I
stop up
am
even
down.
green on, or not really green. It's basically break even on the day.
Yeah, I'm red $3. I had a stop here.
I have
So I
mine
got
at
stopped here.
70 right now.
Yeah. I had mine at 73. Oops. It could actually, I see slight buying here. If Nvidia wanna make a lower high here and actually see buying, we could put in a view up anyway. And I will just been tagged on the tick there. Well. That's typical Philip. Yeah, I'm tagged on ticks. Yeah. I see buying. Typical Philip behavior. Come on. Not to the exactly the tick. Oh my god. I saw Nvidia losing previous week low there. I was like, oh, this could flash down again. I'm gonna put 7.3 there for B day, and it tagged me, and then saw directly buying on that 1 minute candle. And that was good for VWAP touch here, I think. Ah,
Please go.
yeah, come on, for Alex's sake. I'm gonna be kind here for Alex's sake.
Well, either way, I'll be break even on the day. So, oh, there we
Yeah,
go.
yeah,
All right,
here we
I'm out.
go. Yeah. Oh my god. That's nasty for me.
Very nice.
Nice recovery.
Yeah, nice recovery.
Bro, do we look for one more or not?
No,
No, you're done. You're done. Yeah.
I think I'll be done. I don't know.
Yeah.
What do you think?
You can decide that yourself. Do we have? I don't see. Yeah, Friday we have. Oh, we have U.S. employment report.
Yeah, NFP tomorrow.
8:30. Yeah, 8:30. 9:45 U.S. unemployment rate. Wait, is NFP 9:45 or 8:30 then?
8:30. 8:30.
Yeah, yeah. It should be quite decent after 9:45 then. Yes.
I didn't even get that many points more. I only got 3 points extra for that
Yeah.
VWAP. I got a 702
Yeah.
fill.
Yeah.
That's okay, I guess.
You're green, right? How
Yeah, I'm
much?
green. Let's see how many points that is. I don't think it's a lot. Maybe like 10, 15 points.
Oh, you did a lot better than me then.
Yeah, like around
Yeah.
10, 15 points.
My horrible entries today. I'm nice though. I'm not like rushing the trade. I'm trying to find better entries, but I don't know your entry exactly. Looking at chart and trying to get the best entry for me.
It's alright. As long as
I
you're within the general vicinity.
Yeah,
That's
not
all that
like
matters.
60 points above and.
Yeah, as long as the overall
Yeah,
setup is the same. Don't worry too much about the points, really.
yeah,
Setup, target, stops, it's all the same.
yeah.
It's fine. Do-do-do.
Well. New
Well,
day tomorrow. Last
yep.
day tomorrow. Yeah,
I'm happy today. Nice recovery. Like not an insane week today, honestly. Well, yesterday was good, but yeah, nice
yeah,
recovery today. It would have been a decent amount of points actually if we didn't take that red trade this morning.
yeah.
But yeah, wow, that initial tap on my level there was spot on. So if we long there, we would have
Yeah,
been definitely done.
yeah. That was yeah. But I mean, I actually like that second trade overall on ticker steer. I'm gonna say, but if problem there was because we bought that overnight high, right?
Yeah,
That's close to overnight high, like 10 points, 15 points from it. But I was thinking that was gonna go right if it would see we WAP there, like you see that low, higher low, and you gonna push higher, Fed breakdown. But yeah, it does what the Nasdaq does, took out the lows and then ripped. I guess the entry wasn't perfect though. But
Yeah, entry was not that great.
I mean, no, but we could have stopped out either way because of that 570.
Yeah,
So,
5 minutes later we would have been good though. Really happy.
yeah,
Took
yeah.
5 minutes later, but yeah, I did like the shorts overall this morning though. Yeah, I couldn't get an entry really.
But Alex, now I got my my short
Oh yeah,
that I was gonna do. Yeah.
So
It
that's pretty
was like minus $150 though, and it added up to my losses. So on 50, I'm down 350 almost.
good. Oh, okay.
Yeah, but
Oh,
yeah,
wow.
they're pushing.
Yeah,
No, no,
nice,
no.
nice push.
It's fine.
Nice push. Here we go. That's what we were looking for. Yeah, the moves doesn't
Yeah,
really
that's
look
the.
like a lot, but in terms of points, it's actually pretty decent. Oh, 50 points here. Over 50 points.
Yeah.
Um, from our initial entry, so yeah, not bad at all. Not bad at all.
But
Yeah,
we are having quite a decent week
yeah,
though,
good week,
even with
really good week. Yeah, really
yeah.
good week.
Even for me with my not superior execution, it's good. It's good.
Alrighty. Well, I think we'll call
Yeah.
it here for today.
Yeah.
Nice work today. Oh, Carlos got filled. Oh, he almost got stopped. Wait, what? Oh, 710. Oh, nice.
Oh, nice.
Carlos. Alrighty. Well, nice work today. Be back tomorrow.